What's going on, peeps? It's your boy Mr. Super Trooper coming at you guys again with another video. And as you can tell by the title, we're still going after that chonkachu. Got me 9 more Vivid Voltage packs, guys. If you guys saw last video, we got these 2 guys back here. Amazing rares, love those cards. Hopefully we can pull some more. Hopefully we can really get the chunky boy in here. We've been hunting him down. Haven't got him yet, guys, but hopefully today we'll pull this chunky guy out of here. Thanks again for all the likes, all the views I'm getting. I really appreciate all the comments you guys have been leaving. So without further ado, guys, let's get into the chonkachu hunt. It's a code card. And we got Dark Energy, Kakuna, Moo Cheese, Sableye, Joltik, Cottony, Mudbray, Slugma, Whismur, Charizard Reverse. Hey, I like that. I'll take it. And a Beedrill Rare. That's a nice Charizard. Any Charizard's a good Charizard here. Alright, on to Zarude Sandstorm. Zarude gave us a lot of luck last time. Let's see if we can do it again. This code. We got Leaf Energy, Metang, Kakuna, Moo Cheese, Chetop, Clobbopus, Skiddo, Shuppet. Okay, Pharaoh Seed, Kakuna Reverse, and a Manectric. I don't think I've seen this card. That's dope. Look at him. That's Flash right there. He says, I am the fastest dog alive. Celebi, Vivid Voltage. Let's get it. We've got code card. 4. Leaf Energy, Rocky Helmet, Alistair, Metang, Pineco, Mudbray, Poochyena, Charmander, Chitope, Milky Reverse, and a Zerazora Hollow. I wish I would have made this guy into a V card in this set. I love this guy. Zerazora. Or Zerora, that's what its name is. This bad boy. Code card. It's a little bent somehow. Hopefully the cards aren't bent in here. Got Electric Energy, Stone Energy, Shuckle, Cramorant, Riolu, Eevee, Seedot, Electrike, Clefairy, Winden Stadium, and a Yen Mega. Alright. Got 5 left, guys. Haven't pulled anything too hot yet, but we'll see. There's still time. There's still time. Go for you guys. 3, 4. We got Fighting Energy, Beauty, Definition of Beauty, guys. That's really self-centered right there. Stone Energy, Shuckle, Pineco, Clefairy, Tynamo, Milky, Galarian Meow, Stone Energy Reverse, and an Electrode Hollow. That's our second hollow, guys. I guess it's Hollow Day today. Hollow Nation. Alright. UFO guy. Or Beetle. Alright. Got code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stone Energy, Delmice, Rocky Helmet, Alistair, Drillbur, Clefairy, Whelmer, Tynamo, Execute, Whelmer Reverse, and the Alistair hyper rare, guys. That is what is up. Look at that. That's what we want to see, guys. This is probably one of my favorite trainers, actually. Actually, I think I like the Leon a little better, but that's a dope card right here. Look at that. Beautiful artwork, guys. Have him chilling back here. Alright, we got 3 left, guys. Let's go with Orbeetle. Nice. That is what we came for. Now, if it was only a chonkachu, could you imagine? Hey, that's a nice card. Metal Energy, Hitmontop, Swoobat, Magcargo, Piggyback, Poochyena, Rockruff, Blitzel, Skiddo, Charmeleon Reverse, and a Flareon. I don't think I have this Flareon. Looks nice. Alright. Code card. 4 to the front. Got Psychic Energy, Swoobat, Magcargo, League Staff, Woobat, Arrokuda. Oh, Seedot, Phanpy, Shuppet, League Staff Reverse, and the Electros, whatever you want to call that abomination there. Alright, last pack magic, guys. Okay. Well, there's the code card. Stayed back, wanted to chill. 2, 3, 4. To the front. Metal Energy. B. Duat. Aromatic Energy. Eevee. Seedot. Electrike. Clefairy. Phanpy. Reverse Sandile. And a Shiftry. That's not a Chonkachu. We managed to pull 1 Electrode Hollow, 1 Zerora Hollow, and a Secret Rare, Hyper Rare, Full Art Alistair. Amazing trainer card. I love this card. Look at this, guys. And that's actually enough right there to put us to 5 points out the hit bar, because Secret Rares or Full Arts are 3 points. 3, 4, 5. That's 5, guys. We hit that hit bar. Leave a comment. Another giveaway. Make sure you guys check out the last video. We also hit the hit bar on that one. We got really nice pulls on that too. But yeah, these packs have not let me down, guys. Look at that. But anyways, guys, that'll be it. Make sure you guys leave your comments if you entered into the booster pack giveaway, since we did hit the hit bar. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.